What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? Hope you're having a great and wonderful day today. If you're here for the very first time, go ahead and smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys, I'm back with some changes. What I've done is I've created one domain for 5 business affiliate biz ops, okay, that I am promoting. I'm testing some things out, so trying to streamline it down. Once you go to www.getpaidfromhome.info, you should see this particular capture page right here, okay, this page. When you go there, and I'm going to show you what's next, but I'm trying to kind of minimize some things, okay? So this will be a great way for you guys to check out at least 5 to 6 different business opportunities that I'm a part of. It's going to be 5 affiliate programs that pay instant pay, and then I also will have 1 passive income crypto business on there as well. All right, so let me show you what the page is going to look like. But go to www.getpaidfromhome.info if you want to see what I've got going on with some work from home, make money online affiliate programs. Okay, hang on. All right, so let me get over there. Hang on a second. One moment. Okay, this is the sales page that you're gonna see. Ways to make money online, and I list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 instant pay affiliate programs, and then 1 passive profits daily, 1 crypto project. Okay, so we're gonna talk about them real quick, but I wanted to test this out because I'm testing it also on solo ads. This way, when I run a solo ad as well, okay, I'm gonna use a different capture page, but this is the one for you guys. This way, folks can see many opportunities, okay, when I run my solo ad. So I'm using the conversion pros. I created this particular landing page or sales page, if you will, in the conversion pros. If you need a marketing system, that link is in the description with the conversion pros. Go check it out. You can get started for free. All right, so let's go with the first one. 200 to 800 a sale closing done for you. So when you click there, you get this page right here for DWP Digital Wealth Pros. Okay, I think it's a perfect way for especially newbies to get started earning instant pay. $200 to $800 per sale, 200, 400, and 800 per sale. Instant pay any way you want. They have a closing center, a call center that's going to do all the closing for you guys. Okay, but if you go here, you'll be able to see a quick 7-minute video and then a webinar that will answer even more in detail about the program. Okay, so go to getpaidfromhome.info and you'll see this opportunity as well. Joining me in this one, what my team and I are doing. If you join us, we're going to do the marketing for you for the first 30 days. You don't have to do any marketing. If you like your results, then you can join our co-op, okay? And for the people that did not join us and they're struggling to get sales on their own, because you still have to promote the program, even though they have a call center that's going to close the sales, you still have to promote it. So for those folks, we have a co-op. You can join our co-op, guys. It's $100 a month. You can cancel it at any point. So try it for 30 days, see how you like it. If you're getting great results with us, just renew your $100 again. All right, and that info will be in the description in reference to the co-op. All right, guys, so that's opportunity number 1. Let's go to the next one. All right, second one, 200 a pop, sharing a number. You click it. Boom, it takes you here to MSB, my software biz. As you can see, their little chat pops up here. All right, so this one pays out $200 per sale. It's only $250 to get in this program, and all you got to do is share a number right here. Many ways to do it. I'll share all that with you. I'll even make up some images for you guys. You can post these images all over social media. You can run ads. You can do all that. I'll show you how to do it. But call this number, check it out. $200 a pop, instant pay any way you want. This software is amazing. Okay, automated AI success coaches is going to close the sales for you. It's pretty much like a robot that's doing the closing for you. Okay, you make 100% commission, $200 a pop. Link is in the description. www.getpaidfromhome.info. All right, go to the next one. This one pays $300 a day. Get the $300 a day blueprint. You click there, boom, pops up IPS. Learn our $300 a day blueprint. You can get started with this one, guys. You get this page. Everybody gets their own customized web page with this. This is some excellent training. Great way to learn how to use social media to get people to come to you. They've got 3 products here. Starter level $50, elite level $150, pro level $300. Okay, if you go all in like I did, $325, go pro, and you get all these levels. You're able to make $50, $150, and $300 commissions, and you get to learn and earn at the same time. Get paid instantly. You get all the ad copy that you need, all the images that you need. This is a awesome platform to get started with. Pre-written ads are provided. Okay, another opportunity, guys. So check that one out. www.getpaidfromhome.info. Next one. Okay, $247 a sale. You click there and you get MAP, My Automatic Pay. Another great system, all in one system. They get the capture pages, you get the email follow-up series, all in one. All you got to do is promote your capture page. Okay, they have a video right here that's going to do the selling and telling for you. You're able to make $247 over and over and over, guys, any way you want. They give you traffic packages that you can select from. They have the vendors. All you need to do is give them your link, pick a package, they'll run the traffic, and you can start earning $247 over and over and over. And they have on this page, which is pretty cool, proof payments of people that's received commissions. Okay, in this digital marketing, they give you digital products that you can actually learn from. As I said before, the autoresponder is included, the sales funnel is included, so it's all in one and done. Okay, so get started with this one. It's $247 plus one time $33. There's no monthly fees with any of these programs that I'm talking about. So it'll be $247 plus 33. That's $280. You can get this system and earn $247 over and over and over and over. So this one just has one level, $247. All right, guys. So let's check out the next one. So I can make some images up for you for this one. This is TextBot, and you can just share your phone number, guys. Okay, great system. It's been around for a minute. $100 over and over and over. You can get started for $110 with this one. Okay, so this is also a link inside. Once you go inside, you'll see this one as well. Okay, so let's see here. You can see it here. Let me just scroll up here. Okay, so right here was the 100 a day from your phone. All right, I think my system did a glitch, but yeah, TextBot, an awesome one. Another great one, just referring folks to call your phone number. All right, let me show you the number. I need to pull that one up. Hang on a second. I like to use this one as well. Pull it up right here. Call the number 845-253-6408. I can make you up a few images and you can post those all over social media. You can run ads. I even have a postcard that I created, customized for this program. Let me show you that real quick. Okay, I created this personally. Here's the TextBot postcard. Check it out right here. See, so if you want to mail postcards for this, you can do that as well, guys. Okay, great postcard. All right, TextBot. So call that number, check it out. You make $100 over and over and over, instant pay, any way you want. All right, now let's go check out the next one. All right, next up, we click Passive Profits Daily. When you click that one, you're going to get to this particular page. Again, I created this in the Conversion Pros. And this is Pegasus, guys. I like this system. It's very newbie friendly. If you're new to crypto, you don't have to worry about any trading, any of that. Okay? They have the professionals that will do all of that for you. So we don't have to worry about that. All you have to do is make a deposit and invest. Okay? You can invest as low as right now. They're in pre-launch. You can invest $50 or higher, but that's the minimum. Okay? As of June 1st, when this really goes into effect, after pre-launch, you have to come in at the lowest $300. Now, what I love about this is, again, they do all the trading for us. We just invest, and we're getting paid 1.5% a day for 200 days on our investment, okay, or 10.5% a week, okay. Very simple system. This is the website. Sign up, make a deposit, and you earn. That's it. If you don't want to share it with anybody, you don't have to. And you can get your payments out instantly. Okay? Any of your earnings that you earn from the dividends from your 1.5 a day, you can cash out in Bitcoin. Just click a button and it goes straight to your Bitcoin wallet. Very simple. And you can earn daily with this. And it's very newbie friendly. Over 6,000 investors are in it. I really like it. So another opportunity, a way to earn passively without you even having to promote. You don't even have to promote this if you don't want to, but if you choose to, guess what? You can earn 8%, 4%, or 2%. First level, 8%, 4% on the second level, and 2% on the third. Okay, so another great way to earn passively via cryptocurrency. Okay. So that's going to be a new streamline that I'm trying out, and I may add some more to it, or you may see me take away, but I'm going to use that domain, getpaidfromhome.info. That way you guys can go exactly there and see what the programs are that I'm speaking on or I'm promoting at the time. And again, it may change from time to time, but a great way to get started. So the link is in the description. So definitely go check this out if you're interested in learning how to make money online with affiliate marketing. I think it's perfect. It's perfect for a newbie. It's perfect for anybody, okay? Because you earn instantly. I love that. You're promoting digital products, all right? All right, guys. So with that being said, thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Smash that subscribe button and click the notification bell, so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, you guys be safe out there. And I'll see you on the next video. Have a blessed day.